SOWELA's Machine Tool Technology program combines machinist and millwright training in one cutting-edge degree. Curriculum is based on NCCER training, so students receive the gold standard in preparation and instruction. Machine tool technology was requested by local industry to meet their need for a skilled and educated workforce. Graduates enter the field as a machinist, a 5-star job according to the Louisiana Workforce Commission. Students learn to set up and operate a variety of computer numerically controlled, or CNC, and mechanically controlled machines. This is a highly hands-on program, with students working in a fully equipped modern machine shop. Students gain valuable experience in operating lathes, milling machines, drill presses, and grinders to make precision parts. They also learn to install and repair machinery. Launch your machinist career today.